Hello everyone and welcome back to the next segment of our ALMA training video dealing with cataloging. In this one we're going to be talking about holdings, and if you watched the one about basic search, which is the video previous to this, you'll know that we ended here with looking up books in our network zone. Now we also want to make sure that when we're searching books, especially books to add to holdings, that we're looking at physical books. So in our facets, we can take it down from electronic and physical. So we gotta look, remember that we're gonna be checking to make sure that the book that we have matches the book that another university has with the ISBN number, make sure that it's the same edition, etc. So if we find one that we know will work, or that after we've looked at the MARC record, we know that this is the record that we want. So this is the book that we want. We go to Edit Record. Now, once we get the Edit Record, it's going to open up the record in our metadata editor. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to add to the holdings. Now, to do that, you see up here, we have these different tabs. We're going to click the one that says Add Holdings. And then it gives us a split screen here. So we have the original record and then what we are going to add to. Now, when we're adding to the holding, the important field that we're going to be working in is this 852 one. So we're going to click on it and we hit Control F. Okay. Now, for our location, we are going to write ZKE. That lets them know that that's the Allen University location. Then we are going to go to where it says sublocation. We're going to do Flipper. And we also need to scroll down. Let's see if it'll let me scroll. The next one that we need to worry about is the one that says shelving location. We click here, and this is where it's going to go. So if it's an African American collection, AME, media, we're just going to put general. Now, from there, what we do is we go to where it says Add Item. We click on Add Item. And this is where we're going to enter our barcode information. So this is where our I-99 will go. The nice thing about this too is if you have a redundant I-99, it'll let you know. And then we would just hit save. And this lets us know that we have successfully updated. So this is again how to add a holding. Like I said, it's nice because we're able to kind of piggyback on the entire Pascal Consortium's holdings, so it makes cataloging a little bit easier. In our next video, we'll be talking about having to import records. So that will be the next in this series.